University of Louisville Hospital is the region's only level 1 trauma center. We budget and staff 325 beds. I contacted Ricoh and requested them to come in and take a look at our organization. At the time, we had various desktop printers, we had various fax machines, and some units actually had older model copiers. We quickly found out that we could drive printing, faxing, and copying to one piece of equipment at a much reduced rate, and was able to be very successful with that. And we continue to manage and monitor that with our Ricoh staff members today. As our relationship with Ricoh has developed over the years, there was always this constant, what is the next step for U of L? What are some of the things that you're going towards? And how can we may be able to assist you in that? That's been a wonderful relationship because it's almost like my own internal consultant.
We became digital in March of 2008. One of the biggest challenges in that was the scanning process. It's where you have to physically take that paper and you have to digitize it. That's a big operation. That's a lot of work. People want it done quickly. We had to put the scanning out for bids, and Ricoh was one of those. And they said to me, we're going to do a good job. And they have. They scan about 223,000 pages a month. It's a lot of work, of course, and getting it all scanned in timely is very important. And the quality of getting that scanned in timely is very important. The scanning is very good, less than 1%, but we find errors. I mean, there's not much more you can ask, timeliness and quality.
Prior to our relationship with Ricoh, we had several issues in our pharmacy because of our movement to electronic order entry. You had all these inputs, and they were coming from everywhere, and at different parts of the day it was chaotic. Ricoh has brought a group in, analyzed our situation, and has moved us to a more organized and safer process so that we can manage the orders, track the orders, and if we have to, go back and double check who managed that order. So to me, it's a much safer process.
Ricoh is very good, not just looking at their part of the world, so to speak, on the scanning part, but they're interested in becoming a partner to see how they can improve processes, fill in the gaps in the processes that aren't working, that affects, not only what they're doing, but how the HIM department operates as well.
It is calculated well over $3 million of savings for the organization. Cost savings is very important in a world like ours today in healthcare because of so many cuts and reduction in pay with respect to care. So we look for that, but it's those other things that are value added to our organization, like great employees, that's important for our organization. So it's been a very good relationship.